everyone, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Dimas Tiawan. Meet me again in my channel Belajar with Dimas. In this video, I will explain about backtracking algorithms. So, what is backtracking? Backtracking can be defined as a general algorithmic technique that considers searching every possible combination in order to solve a computational problem. Backtracking is an algorithmic technique for solving problems recursively by trying to build a solution incrementally, one piece at a time, removing the solution that failed to specify the constraints of the problem at any point of time. By time, here is referred to the time elapsed till reaching any level of the search tree. Type of backtracking problems. Problem associated with a backtracking can be categorized into three categories. First, decision problems. Here we search for a feasible solution. And second, optimization problems. For this type, we search for the best solution. And last, enumeration problems. We find set of all possible feasible solutions to the problems of this type. Next, how does backtracking works? As we know, backtracking algorithm explore each and every possible path in order to find a valid solution. This exploration of path can be easily understood via given image. As shown in the image is ES represent the initial state where the recursion can start to find a valid solution. And C, it represents different checkpoints for recursive calls. And TN it represents the terminal nodes where are no further recursive calls can be made. These nodes act as base case of recursion and we determine whether the current solution is valid or not at this state. At each checkpoint, our program makes some decision and move to other checkpoint until it reaches a terminal node after determining whether a solution is valid or not. The program starts to revert back to the checkpoint and try to explore other paths. For example, in the above image in TN1, TN5 are the terminal node where the solution is not achievable, while TN6 is the state where they found a valid solution. The back arrow in the image shows backtracking action, where we revert the change made by some checkpoint. Next, determining backtracking problems. Generally, every constraint satisfaction problem can be solved using a backtracking, but is it optimal to use backtracking every time? Turns out no. There are a vast number of problems that can be solved using greedy or dynamic programming in logarithmic or polynomial time complexity, which is far better than exponential complexity of backtracking. However, many problems still exist that can only be solved using backtracking. To understand whether a problem is a backtracking based or not, let us take a simple problem. Imagine you have three closed boxes, among which two are empty and one has a gold coin. Your task is to get the gold coin. First, we dynamic programming files to solve this question. Does opening or closing one box has any effect on the other box? Turns out no. Each and every box is independent of each other and opening or closing state of one box cannot determine the transition for other box, hence DP files. And next, we greedy files to solve this question. Greedy algorithm choose local maxima in order to get global maxima. But in the problem, each and every box has equal probability of having a gold coin 1 or 3. Hence, there is no criteria to make a greedy choice. And way backtracking works. As discussed already, backtracking algorithm is simply brute forcing each and every choice. Hence, we can one by one choose every box to find the gold coin. If a box is found empty, we can close it back, which acts as a backtracking step. Technically, for backtracking problems, the algorithm builds a solution by exploring all possible paths created by the choice in the problem. The solution begins with an empty set is equal angle bracket. Each choice creates a new subtree S, which we add into our set. Now there exists two cases. S plus S is a valid set and S plus S is not valid set. In case the set is valid, then we further make a choice and repeat the process until a solution is found. Otherwise, we backtrack our decision of including S and explore other paths until a solution is found or all the possible paths are exhausted. Next, pseudocode for backtracking. The best way to implement backtracking is a through recursion, and all the backtracking code can be submerged as per the given pseudocode. It is a void fin solution parameters. If valid solution, store the solution, return for all choice. If valid choice, apply choice fin solution parameters, backtrack, remove choice, and return. It is a pseudocode for backtracking. Next, how backtracking is different from recursion. Recursion does not always need backtracking, while backtracking always use a recursion to solve problems. And next, recursion is solving problem by breaking them into similar subproblems and solving them recursively. When backtracking, solving the problem with a multiple choice and exploring options systematically, backtracking when needed. For controller, recursion by function calls and call stacks. When backtracking, manage accuracy with loops and state. Application of recursion tree and graph traversal, towers of Hanoi, divide and conquer algorithms, merge sort, quicksort, and binary search. When application of backtracking and queen problem, read in a mesh problem, connects tower problem, Sudoku solver, and graph coloring problems. Next, application of backtracking. First, creating smart bots to play board games such as chess, and solving mesh and puzzle such as and queen problem. And next, network routing and congestion control and decryption. And let's take justification. When can be backtracking algorithm used? For example, consider the Sudoku solving problem. We try filling digits one by one. Whenever we find that current digit cannot lead to a solution, we remove it, backtrack and try next digit. This is a better than naive approach, generating all possible combination of digits and then trying every combination one by one, as it drops a set of permutation whenever it backtracks. Okay, that's all my explanation about a backtracking algorithm. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.